going back into our work environments or even in our homes at this point, what are some of the things that we should be doing in our facility to make sure that we are curbing the tide of either spreading it or preventing it from being spread in the first place?
Sure. Here we really want to look to the list the EPA has put out of registered disinfectants that are effective against SARS-CoV-2. If I put on my biosafety hat as a biosafety professional, we want to make sure when we're trying to kill any kind of bug or virus, we want to make sure that we have the right concentrations of whatever the disinfectant is, and that we have a sufficient amount of contact time to get a good kill. So with that in mind, I really want folks to grab something off the list of registered disinfectants to use, but I also want them to really read the label and understand how to dilute and how to use, what kind of concentrations they need to be using, and what kind of times they need to have contact to get a good kill. I think all of us sort of spray and then wipe away right away. Where in fact some of these disinfectants need a good 30 seconds or sometimes even a minute to kill. The adage we use in the laboratory spaces is spray, walk, spray, wipe, spray, walk, so that you can get a good contact time on those. We've had a lot of questions about green cleaning. You know, are things going to be clean? Vinegar and baking soda and all these kinds of things. You know, we've got an awareness of bringing chemicals of any kind into our lives at home or at work. And again, we want to be really careful. Some of those things are great. Some household products are great. Some are not. Some just aren't at high enough concentration or won't stay around long enough, like some of the alcohols, which are volatile, to get an effective kill. So my recommendation is go to the EPA registered list.
Thank you. That's a really good resource, and I'm sure most of us wouldn't even have thought to go there. So again, I appreciate that information. Dr. Chung, do you have anything to add to that, or any other thoughts behind the cleaning process?
No, I thought that was very thorough, and I really want to reinforce the concept of the contact time and also the wiping and removing any biofilms or any layers that could protect the virus. And then, you know, the thought, then you spray again, then you know you got it. You hear all these stories about, you know, the norovirus and cruise ships having to re-clean or re-disinfect. And a lot of that, you know, a lot of those failures may be really due to contact time issues.